Good morning, class. The next shape that I'd like to introduce you to is a shape that has faces, edges, and vertices. And this shape is called a cube. And if you notice, what's special about this cube, or all cubes, is that all of their faces are perfect squares. So let's count its faces as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 faces, and all the faces are squares. It has edges. We can count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I believe. This is kind of tricky to count. When you have a cube like this, it's easier when you have a picture and then you mark off its edges. And then it has vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices. So again, if you see a shape that has all square faces, it is a cube. And when I see cubes, I think of dice, because dice are also cubes. Have fun finding cubes at your houses.